Hi guys and welcome. I hope you are safe and at home. So today I did this everyday makeup look which I personally do on everyday basis, and I hope it's helpful for you too. So let's get started. Firstly, I'm using spray moisturizer. This one is from Clinique. Sunscreen from Clinique. It's a tinted sunscreen. Next, I'm gonna prep my lips, and this is lip maximizer from Dior. So it's an HD pressed compact powder. What I'm using is this blush from Maybelline. It's a dual blush. So moving on to the eyes, I'm gonna use this one is from L'Oreal. I'm using this Dior Plump and Volume. So now I'm done with the eyes, and moving on to the lips, I'm using this lip pencil from Faces Canada. I'm using this Nude lipstick from Faces Canada in the shade Peach Me 08. So this is the final look, and you can do this on everyday basis as well as when you're going to office or you're going to shopping or anywhere. So I have made it in a way so that you can do it too. And yes, thank you for watching.